Here's a super quick update on this Whipple charged Mustang project, because I was working on the intake today and now I'm getting excited because this thing is starting to look like it's coming together here. It's starting to look somewhat professional. Okay, I got the automotive. I think it's the 13129 automotive rails. This is my new temp sensor for my glow shift gauge. This dual temp gauge for the air charge. This is the one that's supposed to be cool, and then the other one, of course, is coming out of the supercharger. And I got my fuel lines figured out, just to the back where they're going to join up with the ones that run to the tank. Dual feed in the back. I have kept everything short, all the vacuum lines as short as possible. Here's the boost reference for the regulator, nice and short. This is for the bypass valve. Notice it's not a blow-off valve, it's a bypass valve. This is going to go right to the intake, basically the throttle body, just after the throttle body. And I kept that short. The bypass tube goes basically right from the intake right to the throttle body. Well, behind the throttle body. The throttle body sits back here. But that's it. It's starting to come together. It's starting to get dark. I hope this turns out. Well, you can only tell so much by it right now, but until it's actually on there and the supercharger's next to it. But am I missing anything here? My point was, I had to move this. Probably what happened to the air charge temperature sensor for the computer. I couldn't have it there because there's a bracket for the supercharger that comes right across, and it would basically take out the connector. So I had to move it. And I moved it back under here. I think that's going into number 4. Yeah, I think it's going into number 4 cylinder. So guys, yeah, 7 and 8 on this side, 4 is in the back. So it's like this, like if you figure the holes, it's the second last hole going to that side. It's where it's taking that charge out of. Okay, well, that's it for now. I said super quick, so I'm done. Until next time.